Hey guys, been a while since the last video, so I figured I'd quickly put one together. This one's sort of two topics. Firstly, an update as to where we're at so far. Next weekend, which will be the 27th, 28th I think it is, we're starting the conversion. In a previous video I mentioned I had the version 10 A-line. I've done a bit of a deal with a friend and he's ended up with that and I've ended up with a version 9 STI. So in that weekend we're going to rip the motor, the gearbox, everything out of this, and then use the STI to put all the bits back into it, ending up with the EJ207, 6-speed DCCD. We're going obviously to the 55114 hubs, and basically just anything else we can think of that needs to go into the car. Once that's all done, we should be able to get all that done in the weekend. Once that's done, it'll be going straight to the tuner in Tauranga to DTEC, and then that afternoon we'll be driving it back all tuned and ready to go. Not expecting big power, it's just going to be the same setup as what it is currently. It's just going to be a tuned with basically factory mods, and then straight after that we will be taking it to the paint shop. We're going to get Pendulum painted and all ready to go. My wheels as of around now are probably just about to or just have left Japan, so hopefully they'll be, I'm guessing, turning up in October sometime, which is when I'm thinking the car will be ready from the painter. But hey, no rush, I'd rather things get done properly than to try and rush anything. Second half of the video is basically a thank you to those who have helped me along the way so far, in no particular order. Firstly, Harley basically put the idea in my head to try and find it to see if it was still alive. Long story short, I found it and decided it was a brilliant idea not to buy it back. So bought it back, and then now it's just got a little bit out of control. First plans were reasonably simple, just to tidy it up for what it was, but then had a few more ideas in my head and it sort of escalated from there, but that's alright. Other people, Gareth and Tammy have helped, Grant, Jacob, Brad, yeah, a couple of people along the way. At the moment that's all I can think of off the top of my head. There is also another person who has asked to remain anonymous, who's made a donation to building my car. So thanks very much for that. Didn't expect it, but it really means a lot, and it's really going to help things along and get it all sorted. Amount and person will remain anonymous. I'm not saying who it is because the deal was a deal, so that's fine. And that person, I really hope that what I finish with and what I, the end result is something you're happy with and you're sort of proud to have made that donation. Yeah, other than that, that's about it. I've got my drone here, so I'm just going to put that up and do a whoop around the car. It's not really sunny today, it was earlier, but it's just covered in cloud now, so we'll see what the drone footage looks like. Basically the reason I'm doing that is to just see what the car looks like now. It'll be the last time it looks like, as I call it, a shitbox. And then hopefully by the next video it'll be done, dusted and looking not so shitbox, but I really need to get out of habit of calling it that because I've been saying it for 2 years and it's probably going to stick. But yeah, here's the drone footage, and I will see you in the next one, probably October. Knowing me, it won't be till November. See you then. Cheers.